My dearest friend, do you ever find yourself worrying about money? Does the thought of financial security feel like a distant dream? Or are you constantly battling feelings of lack and scarcity? Today, we are going to gently, yet powerfully, shift your entire relationship with money. We're going to release those old fears, those old beliefs about not having enough, and open your heart and your life to the boundless flow of universal abundance. Because financial security, my precious darling, is your birthright. It's not about struggle, it's about alignment. And today, we align your thoughts, your feelings, and your energy with prosperity. Get ready to erase money worries and cultivate an unwavering abundance mindset that will transform your financial world. Before we dive into these deeply liberating affirmations, if you're ready to embrace financial security and welcome abundance into your life, please take a moment to click that like button right now. Your like sends a wave of positive energy back to me and helps this message reach more beautiful souls who are seeking financial peace and prosperity. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss another session of healing and transformation. And when this session resonates with you, please share it with someone you love. Together, we can spread this message of profound abundance and financial well-being far and wide. Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome. It is I, Louise Hay, here with you, always present in spirit, always guiding you to remember the magnificent, loving being that you truly are. Today, we turn our gentle attention to a topic that touches nearly every life: money and financial security. So many of us carry old beliefs about money. Perhaps that it's hard to come by, that it's evil, that we don't deserve it, or that there's simply not enough to go around. These old patterns can create a persistent sense of lack, stress, and worry, manifesting as debt, scarcity, or missed opportunities. But what if I told you that you possess the power, right now, to release these old stories, to heal your money wounds, and to invite a new, vibrant flow of prosperity into your life? That's what we're here to do. We're here to plant seeds of abundance, gratitude, and trust, allowing financial security to blossom effortlessly in your experience. Now take a deep, gentle breath with me right into your heart, your solar plexus, the center of your power and manifestation. Feel that warmth, that life force within you. This is the energy we will use to heal and transform. Are you ready to truly welcome financial security and abundance into your life with love? Let's begin our affirmations. Remember, as we say each affirmation, feel it, believe it, and let it sink deep into every cell of your being, especially into that tender place where money worries may reside. Affirmation 1. Overall abundance and worthiness. My dear one, your financial world begins with your belief in your worthiness to receive. When you truly believe you deserve abundance, the universe conspires to bring it to you. Please, repeat after me, either aloud or in the quiet sanctuary of your mind. I am worthy of receiving unlimited abundance. I am worthy of receiving unlimited abundance. Feel that worthiness surge through you, from your heart to every fiber of your being. You are a divine child of the universe. deserving of all good things. Affirmation 2. Releasing money worries and fears. Often, our relationship with money is clouded by worries, anxieties, and fears of not having enough. Today, we gently release all of these old, constricting emotions. Now, affirm with me, with genuine compassion for yourself. I release all my money worries and fears. I release all my money worries and fears. Breathe out any tension, any tightness around your finances as you repeat this. Imagine those worries floating away like clouds in the sky, making space for peace. Affirmation 3. Inviting unlimited flow of money. Money is simply energy, and like all energy, it wants to flow. When you open your heart to receive, you become a magnet for this positive flow. Let's invite this boundless flow with an open heart. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly from expected and unexpected sources. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly from expected and unexpected sources. Visualize golden energy, representing money, streaming towards you from all directions, filling your life with ease and grace. Affirmation 4. Embracing financial security. Financial security isn't just about a number. It's a feeling of safety, peace, and trust. Today, we cultivate that inner feeling, knowing the outer reality will follow. Now, let's claim your true financial security. I am financially secure and abundant. I am financially secure and abundant. See yourself living with complete peace of mind, knowing all your needs are met and more. Feel the deep calm of security. Remember to like this video if you're feeling that financial security begin to settle within you. Affirmation 5. Healing old money beliefs. Many of us inherited limiting beliefs about money from our families or society. Today, we send love and healing to those old patterns, releasing their grip on our present. Affirm this beautiful truth. I lovingly release all old, limiting beliefs about money. I lovingly release all old, limiting beliefs about money. Imagine old, dusty books of limiting beliefs simply disintegrating, making way for new, empowering truths about prosperity. Affirmation 6. Trusting the universe's abundance. The universe is infinitely abundant, and there is more than enough for everyone. When you trust this universal truth, you step out of scarcity and into limitless possibility. Declare your trust and faith. I trust the universe's infinite abundance to provide for all my needs. I trust the universe's infinite abundance to provide for all my needs. Feel a sense of calm reassurance, knowing you are always supported, always provided for by a loving universe. Affirmation 7. Being a magnet for money. Your energy is a powerful magnet. When you radiate feelings of abundance and gratitude, you attract more of the same into your life. Let's practice being a money magnet. I am a powerful magnet for money and prosperity. I am a powerful magnet for money and prosperity. Imagine yourself as a radiant magnet, effortlessly drawing wealth, and opportunity towards you from every direction. Affirmation 8. Managing money with wisdom and joy. Abundance isn't just about receiving. It's also about managing what you have with love, wisdom, and a sense of joy, recognizing its value. Embrace your power to manage wealth. I manage my money with wisdom, joy, and gratitude. I manage my money with wisdom, joy, and gratitude. Feel a sense of empowerment and capability as you envision yourself making wise, loving decisions with your finances. Ready to manage your wealth with joy. Subscribe to ensure you keep receiving messages that uplift your spirit. Affirmation 9. Money as a tool for good. Money, when viewed as a tool for good, can be a wonderful resource for creation, generosity, and positive impact in the world. Let money be a force for good. I use my money to create good in my life and in the world. I use my money to create good in my life and in the world. Imagine your money flowing out to support causes you care about, to bless others, and to enhance your own life, always returning to you multiplied. Affirmation 10. Gratitude for all my blessings. Gratitude is the fastest way to invite more into your life. When you appreciate what you already have, no matter how small, you open the door for more. Express your heartfelt gratitude. I am deeply grateful for all the abundance already present in my life. I am deeply grateful for all the abundance already present in my life. Feel a warmth of appreciation for your home, your food, your health, your loved ones. Truly see how rich you already are. Affirmation 11. Releasing guilt around money. Often we carry unconscious guilt around having money, perhaps believing it's selfish or that we don't deserve it. Today, we release that heavy burden. Breathe out guilt, breathe in freedom. I release all guilt around money and joyfully embrace my prosperity. I release all guilt around money and joyfully embrace my prosperity. Feel the relief of letting go of any shame or unworthiness, allowing yourself to fully receive and enjoy your wealth. Affirmation 12. My income consistently increases. When you affirm an increase in your income, you set an intention for the universe to bring you new opportunities, new ideas, and new pathways to financial growth. Let your income expand. My income consistently increases and multiplies. My income consistently increases and multiplies. Imagine your financial resources steadily expanding, creating more ease and flow in your life. Ready to see your income grow? Share this video to inspire others to expand their prosperity. Affirmation 13. Prosperity is my natural state. You are born into an abundant universe. Prosperity is not something you have to chase. It is your natural, inherent state when you are aligned with love and positive thought. Embrace your natural prosperity. Prosperity is my natural state, and I easily attract wealth. Prosperity is my natural state, and I easily attract wealth. Feel a deep, foundational sense of inherent richness, knowing that abundance is woven into the very fabric of your being. Affirmation 14. Clear and positive money mindset. Your mindset is everything when it comes to money. By consciously choosing positive, empowering thoughts, you reshape your financial reality. Let's empower a positive mindset. I maintain a clear, positive, and powerful money mindset. I maintain a clear, positive, and powerful money mindset. Visualize your mind as a beautiful garden, planting only seeds of prosperity, success, and financial well-being. Affirmation 15. I am open to receive. Sometimes we unconsciously block ourselves from receiving because of old programming. Today, we consciously open ourselves fully to receive all the good the universe has for us. Affirm this open reception. I am open and receptive to all the good and abundance life has to offer. I am open and receptive to all the good and abundance life has to offer. Feel your heart, your hands, your entire being opening up, ready to embrace the gifts flowing your way. Affirmation 16. Effortless creation of wealth. Wealth creation doesn't have to be a struggle. When you align your energy, ideas, and actions with joy, wealth can be created effortlessly. Let's create with ease. I effortlessly create wealth through joyful self-expression and loving service. I effortlessly create wealth through joyful self-expression and loving service. Imagine yourself doing what you love and watching as money magically appears as a natural byproduct of your joy.